Get the life, nerd.
I'm tryna go to Miami. Fuck this bitch, she take this play me. Don't give a fuck about winning a Grammy. I'm tryna be the cheat, not talking Sandy. I got a Glock and that shit come in handy. All my shit sounds like Eli Manning. I keep it to no handy manny. I'm sitting purple like a liquor. If you fuck with me, then your heart I would cater. She fine as fuck, I think I wanna slay her. I can't trust a bitch, yeah, I can't chase her. Yeah, niggas can never do that. I focus on my nigga and that's that. I fuck with my slime, I fuck with my slack. You fuck with game, you get into a bag. But I'm not gonna cap. It's some bitches that I wanna cuff and shit. But you hoes be lying. And some of y'all don't know what y'all want. Do I give a fuck head, nah bitch, I don't. I keep taking these drugs, they keep me strong. You cross me once, then bitch, I'm gone. The way that I'm feeling right now, bitch, I'm feeling like a cause you niggas cannot hold me. He saying pussy, then he gotta show me. Niggas know that bitch, you like Ginobili. Don't give a fuck about a bitch that don't know me. Cause you push with the rest. White plug and his name is John. He wanna be gang, then we give him a test. Bro, I just wanna say to all you niggas, man, I love y'all boys. Hey, shout out Mill Santana, shout out Quez, shout out Nate, shout out Elite, but the whole gang, you know what it is, nigga.